Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the Up box. Do you want to see what's inside June's box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Up box just arrived for June and I am so excited. This box brings me so much joy every month and I really love this box. If you guys remember, my very first box was all teal, so it was like perfect right up my alley because it was all my favorite color. Then the second box that I got was amazing and it had the sponge gels and so much bath and body stuff that I've used, and I use everything that was in there. So I'm so glad to get another box so we can see what is inside of June. So thank you so much for sending me this box to show my viewers. I greatly appreciate you doing that. It means everything to me, so thank you so much. So let's go ahead and dive on in. Now they do ship by UPS and it comes really fast, and this is in a regular box. So I removed that box and this is what's inside, but I haven't opened this box just yet. So if you do not know about UpBox, let me just tell you a little bit about them really quick. UpBox is an encouragement in a box. They have plans starting as low as $29.16 a month, depending on how many months you prepay for at one time. They do have a code, which is UpBox50, that you can save 50% off your order on Cratejoy, and I will link that down below. So UpBox50 will get you 50% off. And I've had you guys comment saying, oh my gosh, thank you so much. I just got a 6-month subscription and saved 50% off my entire order. I just got a 1-year subscription and I got 50% off my entire year. So if you guys are interested, use that UpBox50 to get 50% off. That is an amazing deal. I don't know how they do it. I've never seen a company do 50% off. That's amazing. So let's go ahead and get into here and see. Now, this is an encouragement box. They're passionately providing products with a purpose for women. Our mission is to encourage every woman's spiritual journey in a meaningful way with a monthly captivating and inspiring Christian theme and boxes filled to the brim with self-care, handmade items, goodies, etc. like candles, lotions, scrubs, jewelry, you name it, you get it, and this is amazing. Now, every month every box includes a 5x7 poster, mini encouragement cards with scripture inside, and scripture reminder cards. Every Up box includes 10 to 12 thoughtfully curated lifestyle accessories, and they donate 20% of each purchase is donated to the Jesus Way Foundation, which provides orphans with food, shelter, clothing, and education. You can subscribe for yourself or for a gift, and they also have an online store on their website. You can purchase different curated boxes, or they have like coasters and mugs and motivational stuff that you can purchase directly through their website. If you don't want to go to the subscription, you can check out their site as well. So that is amazing. They donate 20% and they also have a 50% coupon. Like, how are they doing this? I don't know how they're doing this, but they are an amazing company. I just love it. So let's get in here. This month is called Bloom. Where You Are Planted is the theme, is Bloom for this month. And I watched Abadabs open up hers last Saturday, I think. And I was like, oh my gosh, it was so beautiful inside. And I really hope, and I do, oh my gosh, mine looks just like hers. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Look, you guys, if you didn't see her video, look at this. Look how beautiful. And look at, nope, don't fall. Look at these paper roses. I've never seen something so pretty. Have you ever seen a box look so beautiful? And then look, here's another one. Oops. Here's another one. I love this box. They all stay with the same color coordinated theme every month. Everything is all to one theme, and they put in all these beautiful little, like, bloom. Here's a bigger one, bloom. Like, how do they find all of this gorgeous stuff? This is just, their presentations are just so beautiful. I'm going to save these for I don't know what. You might see these like in future photos that I'm taking, like in backgrounds or something. Those are just beautiful. Bloom. And again, there's all these that say Bloom. This is just so beautiful. Okay, So let's dive in and see what we have. So we already know, again, bloom, where you are planted is the theme. And this is their card. That is so, so pretty. Then we have, they will burst into bloom. Look how beautiful that is. Look at that card. You can set this up somewhere. You can give this as a gift. You can put it in a frame. These are so cute. And the first thing right on top, how pretty. It says bloom with the little flower. And this is a little wooden plaque. I know my very first box, I got a wooden plaque that had their theme on it that time as well. And it was really, really, really pretty. So there is that, and all it says is bloom, and it's in like a dark bluish, purplish colored font. So that is so pretty. And that says Grace Walking Designs. Grace Walking Designs is on here, but it doesn't talk about the products, but that is gorgeous. So there's that. And what do we have here? Shower them with gifts. l.etsy.com. So I don't want to open this. Looks so beautiful. It's like, why do I have to open it? Let's open it and see what this is, you guys. Bloom where you are planted. And this is a dish towel. Look how pretty. And it's in the purple font. And that is on there. It's like, that's not going to come off. That is not going to come off. Look how pretty. Okay, so we have a beautiful towel. I'm telling you guys, I just love this box. This is a sticker. Bloom where God plants you. You can pull it apart. So this is a sticker. You can go ahead and put this anywhere. You can put it on a mirror. You can put it anywhere. So there's a really pretty sticker. Bloom where you are planted. That's a sticker as well. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. I love these colors. Look, and here's a little baby rose. Paper rose. Oh my gosh. And then here's another sticker. Bloom where God plants you. It's in yellow background that time, but that is an actual sticker as well. This is so cute, you guys. Oh my goodness. Okay. Ooh, what is in here? This is a pretty package. Like, what? I don't even want to open that. What's in here? Let's see. I've never seen a package like this before, you guys. How in the world did they get that in there? Ooh, that is really pretty. Okay, so this is Purposeful Indulgence, and that is a keychain. So it's a keychain that has like the little pull tab. It's not like a long lanyard, but there's the keychain, and you can put that around your wrist if you wanted to, or hold your keys by it. I like these smaller ones because sometimes the longer lanyards, I feel like it's gonna hit my brake pedal or my foot's gonna get caught in it. So those really scare me. But I always do have like a smaller one like this because I like to just grab my keys out of my purse, and that is perfect. And look at the theme is perfect for this because it has the little flowers on there. That is so cute. So we have a keychain. This box is amazing. What is this one? We have Notes of Jasmine, Citrus, and Tuberose. Is this a Shea hand cream? Ooh, so there's the packaging. And again, everything matches with the purples. The time before this one was all like a hot pink color. So let's see what this smells like, you guys. Ooh, that almost smells like grape. That almost smells like a grape florally grape, like rose and grapes had a baby, and that's what it smells like. That's what that smells like. Ooh, that smells so good. Okay, now we have, these are the little cards that they tell you that they always give, and it has the bloom on there, and it should have the scripture on the inside. And there's the inside of the cards. There's the back. And it gives you 2 cards and 2 envelopes. Here's more. Bloom where you were planted. So there's 2 more cards and 2 more envelopes. So let's see what the inside of this one looks like real quick. They will burst into bloom and rejoice and join and sing. And then there's the back. This looks like it matches that perfectly. Is this the same? Yep, it's the same brand. Soap and paper, jasmine. Oh my gosh, that smells amazing. Ooh, I can't wait to try that. Like I'm telling you, I get the best lotions, soaps, body creams, body scrubs, body butters, all of that from this company, and I've used them all up. I just finished last month's hot pink like body scrub. I just finished that the other day, so I'm so glad to now get my box again. Oh my gosh, look, here's a little white one. I just love this box. You Are Beautiful Victorian Rose Dusting Powder. Ingredients: arrowroot powder, Victoria Rose Dusting Powder. I'm not quite sure what that is, but it's probably like something to give you like a little glow that you can just dust on your skin. I don't want to open it because I don't want to make a mess with that, because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this product just yet, but that is amazing. Here's that, and that is a dusting powder. And again, it's purple, of course. It matches the whole theme. Let's go in here. It's the little things. And let's see. Okay, so on the card, it does talk about this company and then the soap and paper factory that had the bar soap and the hand cream. And you can find that at soapandpaperfactory.com. So this right here says that this is the Little Things Jewelry Round. Keep the little treasures safe. Embroidered and embellished jewelry round. Used for storing jewelry at home or while on the go. And it even has like a little like thing here that you can take off, because that's the tag. You just remove that and then you unzip it. And look, you can store anything in there. Your jewelry, if you have medications, or any little thing that you do not want to get lost, or you want to have at your fingertips, or you can even use this for coins to put in your purse for like your loose change. You can use this for anything, not just jewelry, but that is so cute. I like that. And again, you can use it for anything, and it's a perfect size to set anywhere, toss in your purse, gym bag, anything like that. So that is really cool. I love that. Okay, so next we have in here is how to be happy. Decide every morning that you are in a good mood. And that's true. You decide your mood. Only you decide how you feel and what you do. So this is, it's like a pop socket, but has a little pouch that you can use for your ID and credit cards to hold. So it fits on the back of your phone. It's a pop socket, the thing for your finger, and you put this on your phone and you can store your cards back behind this. So this is from the same Natural Life company, which you can find at naturallife.com. And this is How to Be Happy Phone Ring. The best phone accessory ever. It seriously does everything. The pocket stores your credit cards and cash, while the rotating ring gives you stability while taking selfies or using it as a stand. The removable adhesive sticks to the back of your phone, even with most phone covers. So that is really cool. That's awesome. So then we got that. And then next, from the same company again, and it matches. Today is going to be the best day ever. And it's a little cozy for drinks. It's a beverage cozy. And it can fit, look, it can even fit on the stemless wine glasses. That's cool. Look how cool. All right, so this right here says, best day ever, cozy sleeve. Not only will you have the cutest to-go drinks, they are reusable for everyday use. That's cool. And it says it on the back too, like it's double-sided. And I like how it's all shiny font. That is really cool. Now we have a few more things still in here, you guys. This says, it says Friends Forever. And this is by the same company, The Natural Life. And how cute. It's a little box. It says to and from. You can write to and from. And then there's this little, it says Friends Forever. It has a little heart. Let's see, this is from the same company, so this is on here. Friends Forever Silver Little Love Bowl. The handmade shape matches the sweet sentiment, and it even comes in a pretty keepsake box. Yes, it is a really pretty box. And it has like all the little flowers. That is a really pretty box to store that in. So you can toss anything, any little trinkets or your jewelry on that. And you can either keep this for yourself or you can give this as a gift because it's already prepackaged, ready to go. That is awesome. Okay, whew, there's still more things in here, you guys. Holy moly, that's the thing. This box just never ends. So now we have Tash Cosmetics, and these are loose pigments. We have a Jungle Berry, which is this blue color right there. We have a Flower Girl, which is this pink right there. And we have Bloom, of course, which is that purple. It's like a purple color right there. So cool. All right. So here are the three colors all together. Blue, pink, and purple. Wow. Okay, you guys. So that is everything that we received in this month's box. Plus, we have beautiful purple squigglies in the box with these amazing, beautiful paper flowers. Like, I just love this box. How many times do I tell you guys when I open this box how much I love this box? So you can use all of this purple stuff for future gift baskets, Easter baskets, or fruit baskets for friends or family. You can save this. I save this stuff, especially theirs, because it's always so pretty. So pretty. So a recap of what we got. We have the, let me move this. We have the soap and the hand lotion. That smells amazing, and I can't wait to try that soap. We have the drink cozy, a pop socket that holds cards and cash. We have this beautiful keychain, a little ring jar. We have a jewelry or an anything holder, little pouch. We have a fairy dust. You Are Beautiful Victorian Rose dusting powder, a little fairy dust. We have the two different cards, and there's two in each one. You have the three different loose pigments, this gorgeous dish towel, this really pretty wooden block that says Bloom on it, which is gorgeous. You have the cards for this month. And on the back of this one, it does say, welcome to your Bloom box. This refreshing and uplifting collection was inspired by the bloom season of late spring and early summer and was carefully curated to encourage and delight you. This is definitely an encourage and delighting, uplifting box, 100%. And then we got these really cool stickers that you can use, and these little things that you can keep and use for something, because it's Bloom. This is a perfect theme for this month, and I love everything that was in here. So you guys, comment down below, let me know, how did you like this month's box? I am really loving it. I think this is my third or fourth box. We had the hot pink, we had the teal, this is the purple. I think one month they sold out quicker than they expected, so I think I missed 1 month. But this is definitely my third or my fourth box, and I love this box, you guys. So if you want to jump on this train, definitely use the UPBOX 50 to get 50% off your first time purchase, because that is an amazing savings. Plus they donate 20%, and you get all of this amazing stuff. I don't know how they do it. I honestly do not know how they do this, because no other subscription box does this much, gives that much back, and also has that much of a discount. How do you guys do this? A box, they're magic. They're magically delicious. This is an amazing box, you guys. So definitely comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts were. Your positive interaction means the world. And if you aren't already, I'd greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button and stick around and watch more of my videos if you would like. And until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.